Alright guys, so I was supposed to release a vlog today because it's today, yeah, it is Saturday because it's after 12 now, but I didn't really vlog this week, but as I said before, I've been vlogging throughout the month, even though you have not been getting a vlog. And one of the reasons why you have not been getting a vlog is because every time like I get my day off, I have a lot of things to be done. Like yesterday, I had a day off and I went all the way to Atlanta to do my hair and to see if I can get other things done. So I never have no time to like edit. Tomorrow now I have a half day and I'm going to go all the way to Georgia to get my nails done, to get lashes done, and waxing, to see if I can get waxing done. And the reason why I'm doing all of this is because my birthday is next week and I'm flying out. I'm going to Vegas and I actually did want to do like a get ready with me kind of vlog, but I'll be vlogging definitely. You may not get the video next week, but there's just so much things going on. I don't have any time to record anything. And I said, you know what? I told you the other day that I was going to come and I'm coming back into vlogging. And I don't want to go back on my word. So I'm going to do like a little facial thing and talk to you and tell you what's going on. And I'm just going to upload this. Now I'm going to edit it. Well, if anything that needs to be edited, then I will edit it. But I don't plan to edit it. And guys, I'm using my Pocket 3. I bought it for my birthday, for myself and for you guys. So to show that I'm not, you know, giving up on you guys. No, I just been crazy busy, and it will get better. It will get better. I promise you, it will get better. Just give me some time, okay? I know you miss me, and I miss you guys so much. And every time like I see a comment, and you know many people been saying, "Oh, I've been checking your channel," and to see if the notification is not coming, like it warms my heart to know that people actually really like take to me and really like that, right? So I'm coming back. My roommate, tomorrow is our last day at work. She's going on to something bigger and better. So after that, I think I may have more time to like edit and vlog in the room. Like she don't have a problem with me vlogging, but I don't think she wants to be in the spotlight, and I don't want to inconvenience her, if you understand. And then when I'm editing, sometimes I don't want to always have the headphone in my head, and I don't want her to be hearing me because I cringe when I hear my own voice. So can you imagine someone else listening to me, right? So yeah, so I'm just saying, you know what? I'm not going to I'm not going to go back on my words. I'm just going to come, do a little facial routine, and talk to you. So, next week, matter of fact, in a couple of days, me and my roommate will be going to Las Vegas, and I have a whole itinerary plan. And hold on, let me wash my face. Yeah, so I have an whole itinerary planned. I think I have it up until 4 days. Uh, yeah, I think I have it up until 4 days. I'm planning to go to Grand Canyon. I'm gonna do that something boat tour and ATV dinner on the around the world, the top of the world restaurant. And yeah, like I'm gonna vlog all of my experience and gonna take you guys with me. And I just, as I said before, I just want to come and tell you guys that I'm sorry that you're not getting any vlog this week, but I have a lot of video. And not only that, I was honestly, I went on my tablet and, not matter of fact, I went on my phone first and I put all the videos together into a file, and I said, like, listen, I'm going to edit these videos, I'm going to compile them as best as I can so that you guys can get them to see what you've been missing out on. And then I went on the tablet to edit them, and it's like I'm so lost. Like, why did I stop? Like, why did I stop? It's so hard now to get back in the game. It's hard. Like, I don't even know if I know how to use the app anymore to edit. I don't know. But I'm coming back, okay? So, my roommate is leaving. So I have more time on my hands, maybe. Like, I have more alone time. And, yeah. Guys, the other day, my face was looking so disgusting. Like, honestly, so disgusting. Right now I have bags on under my eyes, and I just want to get rid of them. I don't like them. Like, if it was like this, I would be so fine. But I'll buy everything just to get rid of them. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't even know. I'm just talking. I'm just talking. I just want to let you guys know that I don't disown you guys. I'm still here and I really miss you guys, and I want to come back to YouTube, but it's like so hard starting back. It's like I'm starting all over again at ground zero. And I was just planning to come to you to ask if I should just do some short clippings and then just slowly work my way back in, or just do the compilation and then jump back in. Like, I don't know. It's like you guys are missing so much. Like, not really so much, because honestly, there was so much going on at J rather than here. Like, here we have like parties and those kind of stuff. But I don't, these people, they're nice. Let me tell you this, they're nice. But I don't know if they're okay with me, like, having them on camera. You see, like how when I was in Vermont and they were cool, they were the one that pushing me to make videos. They actually took my camera and said, hey, like, make videos. Like, I have 1 and 2 people here like, you stop doing vlogs, what's going on? But it's kind of rough. Do you see how my brows need to be shaved? I purposely did it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it waxed. Probably tinted, I don't know. I don't need to be tinted. But I just want to look super different on my birthday. And my hair, I did my hair. Hey guys, every time I talk to them, it's telling them 1 million and one thing. But I did my hair, I don't really like it that much. It's like the Kiro thing where you can go over here, and then go over this and go over here. So it's neat and everything, but I don't feel like I like the style anymore. I don't feel like I like it anymore, but I gotta do what I have to do. Yeah. So I bought this thing. Yeah, I bought that for my eye to see if these bags can leave me, so that when I take my pictures on my birthday, it doesn't show. Well, let's see. But anyway, I'll just come say I'm just going to do a quick little facial routine. Not really much. Just to tell you that, hey, listen, I apologize for not releasing a video this week. And hopefully next week, I don't even know if next week's going to be a day, because next week I'm going to Vegas for 1 week. 1 week. And I have so much things planned, and I may be super busy. I won't be able to like edit any videos. And then I have a feeling that my sister is coming. Like, one of my sisters is coming. I have a feeling. because they keep asking me questions. Like they keep asking me questions, and then one of my sister, I have her email on my phone, and she transferred some money to a account, and I was like, that look fishy. That look fishy. I think they're trying to surprise me, but if they do come, I'm just gonna act surprised and I'm gonna video and then let you guys see the reaction and all those stuff. And yeah, but I'm super excited and I'm so glad I'm gonna take you guys with me. And I apologize once more for not vlogging. I'm coming back, and this video that I make today is a testament to say that, listen, I'm coming back. I trying to be active on Saturdays, so this is going to, right now it is, I don't know what time it is. Oh, my phone is right here. Let me show you. Let me show you. So, right now, it is 1:15 Saturday morning, and I'm going to upload this video unedited. I'm going to upload it to you so you can see that I am trying to be active on a Saturday again. And I made a strange day. But I'm going to be active. And I thank you guys for, continuously sticking by, putting up with me. And I love this video so much. Like, listen, the influencers are influencing, because I was influenced when I was watching Tanzania and what's his name? Jeffrey, Jeffrey. Yeah, when I was watching both of their video, and I was like, oh, the camera is so clean. Like, listen, these lights are not so good, right? And the lighting is not good, but this camera, like, if I was using my phone, let me see. If I was using my phone, now I have to do some editing. If I was using my phone, let me see what it would be like. Like, look at that. Not even this clear, like not so clear. So, yeah. I love this camera, and I'm gonna be using it. And the Pocket 2, I'm gonna give away the Pocket 2. The Pocket 2 was good, but this, like the facial tracking and everything, like, listen, I can go out there and come back, and it just, like, it what? Anyway, yes. So I'm going to do this. So many forgot my braid because I wake up early in the morning. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this teeth whitening thing. Should I do it today? Like, when I started, and I only did it twice, I think I was at 8 or 9. I was at 9, and now I think it gone down to 7. So it's slowly, like, working. So I want to do this, brush my teeth, and then go to my bed. And I just want to say, I'll see you next Saturday. I don't know what kind of video, but I'll see you next Saturday. I'll try to put little clippings, like reels or something like that. I don't even use reels, but I will try to do that. And I hope you guys understand. And I love you guys. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next week. Okay? Peace and love and cocoa bread.